Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Honda CR-V Remote Start Full Guide. Begin by confirming the car is locked and within range of the key fob. Press the lock button once, then press and hold the remote start button for 3 seconds until lights flash. If the engine does not start, check the key fob battery and vehicle settings. Always verify exhaust is clear before approaching the vehicle to ensure safety. In this video, I will show how to use Honda CR-V Remote Start Full Guide. Open the CR-V infotainment menu and navigate to Vehicle Settings, then Keyless Remote Options. From here, you can set how long the engine runs, adjust automatic climate behavior, and enable remote start security features. Save preferences and test remotely to confirm changes. If options are locked, consult the owner manual for required ignition or dealer setup steps. In this video, I will show how to use Honda CR-V Remote Start Full Guide. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort and durability. They wick moisture, prevent blisters, and pair well with winter boots while warming your morning remote start routine. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use Honda CR-V Remote Start Full Guide. If the remote start fails, first replace the key fob battery and retest. Inspect the vehicle for open doors, hood, or active security warnings that block remote start. Also check fuel level and maintenance alerts, which can disable the feature for safety. If problems persist, perform a system reset by locking and unlocking with the fob, then attempt another remote start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.